Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my software that I'm a reseller of. And in my opinion, no matter what software you use, if it's not user friendly, I don't want to use it. Because the last thing I need is to try to use software that's designed to help me inside my business to make my business much more efficient and enjoyable to run. And I can't do that because the software is frustrating, it's cumbersome, it's not easy to navigate through. That's not what I'm looking for. So my criteria for software, regardless of what it is that it be user friendly first, and then we look at the price point. Because see, I can buy user friendly software all day long, and if I have to pay $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 based on what the software is and what it's intended to do, I'm willing to do that. Especially when we talk about professional tax software, I'm willing to do that. So in this here video, I have a special promotion that starts today and ends September 15th, where if you make a one-time payment of $997, you get the software for 2 years. You get to enter into my 18-month access full service coaching program for free, and you get access to tax preparation training, professional software training, funding for startups and established businesses if you qualify, and so many other perks that I include inside my full-fledged coaching program that I don't talk about because it's only for paid members to know about, is what it's really all about. So if you looking to start your own tax preparation service, you looking to take action now because this is the month to make it happen. Once we get into October, that leaves us with October, November, and December to try to get your EFIN application submitted and approved, on top of the fact that you got to do fingerprinting, and the IRS has changed up how they do the fingerprinting. And I don't know firsthand yet how that's going to look until sometime this month when I walk my client through setting up her EIN number and filling out the EFIN application with the EIN information that was going to put on it. And so I talked to a young lady who I worked with who told me that they're going to get a letter or a call from the IRS concerning the next steps concerning the fingerprint process, which has been changed from the old way where we used to have to call the number and they mail us 2 fingerprint cards. We get both fingerprint cards fingerprinted, and we put the tracking number on the card and we mail them in. That process is over with. Another thing has changed is you need an online account on irs.gov. That process has changed as well. They're using id.me in order for you to do that, which is a simpler process than it used to be under the old way, which is good. So the first thing you need to do is go to id.me/IRS, set up your account, which is going to give you access to the EFAP provider's application, which is the EFIN number that you're going to get assigned once you get approved by filling out the application and doing the fingerprints. That's going to allow you to buy professional software and register with a third-party bank. That's so important. The time to make that happen has a short window because January is right around the corner. And if you want to be ready in time, it's so many moving pieces that we need to have in order that you got to take action now in September, because when October get here, it's going to make that process even tighter. It takes 45 to 60 days to get the EFIN approved. And that's if they still got the same timeline on that, based on the fact that they under budgeted and understaffed. We don't want to take no chances on that. So if you're the person who know you want to get your tax preparation service up and running in time to make money when tax season start, you want to take action right now. I'm working with people right now who we're going to get together and do the EIN letter. We're going to take that information and put on the EFIN application, which is the EFIN provider's application. We're going to take that same information and put on the PTIN application because it has a certain section on there that asks you if you have a business, you can put that business information on your PTIN as well. So that information is going to go on the EFIN provider's application and on the PTIN. And we're going to use that same EIN number to get you a business account opened up. We must have a business account. We must have personal accounts. We must have record keeping requirements in place. We must have payment processors in place. We must have a third-party bank in place to collect our fees on our behalf. from people who will get nice size refunds who are not used to paying out of pocket. And the bottom line is the middle class, the low income families all walk away with nice size refunds who are not used to paying out of pocket. And the last thing you want to do is get a group of these individuals who want to do business with you, but can't because you don't have your third party bank application registered, done, and approved. Because you're leaving a whole lot of money on the table if you don't register with a third party bank that's going to collect your fees on your behalf. And the reason I say that is because with the people that I'm working with, new or otherwise, what's the chances of you going out and getting high income clients who won't get a refund, who used to paying out of pocket anyway, and them doing business with you is the $64,000 question you got to ask yourself. Because what's going to happen is the people who not paying out of pocket because their refunds are so nicely sized, who not used to paying out of pocket no way, and wouldn't pay out of pocket because it would make no sense to do when I got a $6, $8, $10, $12, or $15,000 refund coming, and they used to Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, Liberty, those type of places taking the fees out of their refund. You want to be positioned to do the same thing when it comes to the clients that you're going to run into. If you can't do that, they will have to go back to the places that they normally go to who can have their fees taken out of their refund. So you're definitely leaving a whole lot of money on the table if you don't position yourself that way. On top of that, the demo software that I'm giving you access to, you get to see if it's user-friendly enough for you where you can make a decision to purchase it. And even though you don't have your EFIN, you at least have an idea what software you're going to use, and you can use the demo version of it to give you a leg up on how simple it is to navigate through doing different types of tax returns. So for the person who wants to take action, who know they want to have a business up and running by January, this is the time to do it in September. The special promotion, one-time fee of $997, gets you 2 years worth of the software. It gets you 18 months in my full service coaching program. And on top of that, it has some other bonuses and perks that I don't talk about on camera. That's for your ears only. And so if you want to know about those things, you definitely want to reach out to me and we can talk, we can chat, so I can answer any questions you can or concerns you may have, because every person that done business with me to this point have all had questions and concerns that they need answered first before they take action. So if that's you, you can call me at 773-782-1320. You can email me. I leave all my contact information in the description of all my videos on my YouTube channel. The time right now is to take action this month. Don't let September go by and October roll around, and now you're ready to try to take action and be ready for the upcoming tax season, which leaves us 30 days less than what we had if you'd have took action in this month. This month here is September the 7th. So we've got a good 23 days left to do some things that's going to make a big impact on positioning you to be ready for the upcoming tax season. And so again, the one-time special promotion, $997, one-time payment, gets you 2 years of the software, which gives you this year and next year for the one-time payment in full. It gives you the 18-month access to my full premium coaching program. And for the people that's going to build and grow their business, you get access to startup and established business funding through the 7-figure funding partners that I work with, who will help you to get funding for your business based on what you qualify for. So a lot of times we want money for our business that we don't qualify for because, number one, we haven't been in business long enough to build up a portfolio of consistent income and enough of it to qualify for anything significant that going to really make a difference and help you inside your business. So the best thing you can do is take action, make enough money inside your business in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. Because see, I've made so much money over the 21 years I've been in this industry, 15 as a business owner, where I was able to fund other business operations that I want to do, where I didn't have to go borrow money from nowhere because I made so much money inside this business that helped me fund other businesses. And so also in the retail space as well, I'm not presently doing retail, but I plan on going back to it in the near future. Right now, it's the service-based industry that I'm doing. If you take action on this special promotion that ends September 15th, it also includes a couple of bonuses that I wasn't going to disclose, but I'm going to disclose now. For the people that's working with me inside my coaching program, you get free bookkeeping services for 1 year. And you get access to all the tools and resources that you need that's going to help you do business virtually as well as locally inside your business at great discounts. And when it's all said and done, take action, take action, take action. And I'll see you in my next video. That's that nigga.